Dowlatabad Garden is one of the most beautiful gardens in the desert city of Yazd in central Iran. It's an authentic Iranian walled garden that annually attracts thousands of tourists. Dowlatabad Garden was originally built by Muhammad Taghi Khan Bafqi more than 250 years ago. The garden is one of the 9 Persian gardens listed as a World Heritage Site. Inside the garden, there are various mansions, each of which having a specific function. The main structure is built in form of a unique octagonal plan mansion with colorful stained glasses within sash window panes. Lattice doors and windows with the stained glass patterns impart a pleasing sight to the complex. The beautiful mansions are surrounded by tall pine and cypress trees. Also, the garden consists of some fruit trees such as pomegranate and grapes. In addition to a long pool in front of the building, there are some small ones inside the main structure. There is also a room accommodating a small pool underneath the windcatcher, which is regarded to be the largest windcatcher in the city. At the central section of the building, there is a small pool which adds some humidity to the dry air of the house in the heart of the desert in Yazd. Windcatchers are one of the essential elements of the residential structures in deserts of Iran. Dowlatabad Garden is famous for having the tallest windcatcher in Iran. This architectural masterpiece is about 33 meters high. The traditional houses of Yazd are adapted to hot and dry climates. They use natural resources to protect not only their surroundings, but also the earth. Mixture of colorful small pieces of glass and wood tiles invite color and life into the building. The large and movable windows with iron and wooden frames in traditional facades provide natural ventilation in summertime. The light colors of the Yazd roofs do not absorb the sunlight, so it is convenient for this climate. The colorful windows with wooden frames protect the interior from the sunlight. Brick is one of the main materials used in Yazd old houses. Bricks are used in some parts of the exterior walls, ceilings, stairs, and ground for protection from sunlight and sandstorm. The monument is famous for the internal arrangement, which has an octagonal base. Also, the dome-like arches inside the building adds to the beauty of the house. The outstanding structure embodies the finest of Iranian art and architecture.